Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your games and your trophies on your PlayStation 4 account. So if we're on the home screen here, let's go up to the top to Settings and select this. Then go on down to Account Management. Then go to Privacy Set. And at some point in time, you might have to enter in your email address and password with your PlayStation account. Just make sure you have that at hand. Then once we get to this screen, let's go to where it says Gaming and Media. Then select this. Then we can go on down under this list until we go to Gaming History or Hidden Games. So we can go to Gaming History right here, and this says choose who can see your games and trophies. Your gaming history includes games you've played and the trophies you've earned. Games and trophies can appear on your profile on the content info screen for games and what's new. So you can hide specific games by going to Hide Games. But if we go on over to where it says Anyone, we can go to Friends of Friends, Friends Only, or No One. So you can even hide your progress and your games from your friends. So just go to No One. Then we can go back and then we can go to Hidden Games if we want to hide a specific game. So let's go to Hidden Games for PS4. So if we don't want people seeing that we played Minecraft because we're embarrassed by it, we can select it. And then we can go to Confirm and we can completely hide that progress from our profile. And our friends won't be able to see that we played it or we've earned trophies from it. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.